How to force update Android phone immediately. So if you want to force update your Android phone immediately, then open up your device Android settings and tap on the software update option. Now tap on download and install and wait while Android checks for any updates. If there's an update available, tap download and install. If your Android is identifying an update but can't complete the installation, you may need to clear your Android cache and try again. If no updates are found, then no action is needed. It will say software is up to date if you don't have any updates. So the reasons why Android won't update is the first one is your internet connection. If your internet connection isn't strong enough, then your Android should prompt you to connect to a network or Wi-Fi before installing any updates to reduce the mobile data usage. But if your Wi-Fi connection isn't strong enough, your updates may not install properly or they may take too long to complete. If your Android isn't updating, stop the update installation and try again later when your Wi-Fi connection is more stable. And the second one is there isn't enough battery. Another reason your Android update isn't installing properly is due to your battery. Unless your Android device is plugged in or still has sufficient or significant battery life left, you might not have enough battery power to download and install the latest version update. So I recommend you to charge your Android battery before installing any updates. And the third fix is, or the problem might be, your device isn't compatible. In many cases, Android OS updates require more advanced hardware than a particular phone has, and an older device simply can't support the update. Most manufacturers support Android updates on phones up to 2 years old. And because manufacturers release new smartphone models constantly, there isn't much incentive for updating older models. Before you update your device, do some research to check which manufacturer have a better track record when it comes to the Android updates so you don't run into the same update problems again. And the last thing is you might have run out of storage space. If your Android device storage is completely full, you won't be able to download and install the updates. You'll likely need more free space than the size of the full update. As the Android update is installing, it creates and then deletes temporary files, back up important data, then go through your apps and files to clear some space, and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can force update your Android phone immediately, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.